Difference of nominal and effective annual percentage rate, APR. Interest rates are not the same as interest rates. There are different types of interest rates you have to consider. A nominal APR is a simple interest rate for a year. Effective APR is the fee and compound interest rate calculated across a year. These fees can be, for example, an agio, costs for life insurance, or a closing fee. The effective APR enables consumers to compare different offers from banks. The difference between investment loan and consumer loan. The purpose of a loan can also be different, which should be considered against the background of future financial stability. The main differences between investment loans and consumer loans are the purpose and the effect on the cash flow. An investment loan has a goal to lend money in assets to increase future cash flows. In difference, a consumer loan has a goal to buy services and daily goods for consumption that typically depreciate quickly. By a positive effect of the invested money due to the investment loan, the future cash flow will increase. In difference and in the context with consumer loan, the future cash flow will just decrease. Types of credit. Closed-end credit. A one-time loan that you will pay back over a specific period of time in payments of equal amounts. Open-end credit. Credit with a certain limit on the amount of money you can borrow for a variety of goods and services. Line of credit. The maximum amount of money a creditor will allow a creditor to borrow. Credit cards. Credit cards are a common example of consumer credits because one pays for ordinary expenses such as groceries or gasoline within the agreed credit line. There are three main different types of credit cards. First, the bills are collected and debited from the current account once a month in one sum. Second, the cardholder has to repay a certain percentage of the outstanding amount on a regular monthly basis. Third, the cardholder pays only the interest throughout the duration of the contract and repays the total amount borrowed upon expiration of the contract. Consider maximum flexibility, but the most expensive type of credit. This is an example of how a credit card works. You have an interest-free period between purchasing goods and the payment due date. If you repay the outstanding amount, there are no interest costs. Otherwise, interest costs are incurred up to the full repayment. Should the credit card be stolen or lost, the card must be blocked immediately. To do this, you must immediately call the emergency number. For Germany, 116 116. The person concerned only has to share the liability in the amount of 50 euros if debits were made in the period between the disappearance of the credit card and the report of the theft. Once the blocking call has been made, the account holder does not have to bear any financial damage, unless he acted with gross negligence.